Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold monthly time frame, it's so extremely clear that this is a 1, 2, 3. And like I've been saying, wave threes can extend way more than you may think. I mean, there's really nothing stopping this thing to going up to $3,000 an ounce and maybe even more. Eventually, it does need to make a nice pullback for a wave 4 and another push up for a wave 5, but it definitely doesn't have to happen now. So going down to the weekly time frame, this is where you can start to see the wave 1, the wave 2, and then all the subdivisions for the wave 3. We have no Fibonacci bounce, we have no break of structure, we have no lower high, telling me that there's really no reason to believe that the wave 3 is actually over yet. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we're actually right in between two Fibonacci levels right now, which means, yeah, a pullback may be likely, but even if it is a pullback, it's probably just a crescent to the uptrend because we're right in between two Fibonacci levels, which means it probably is very likely to hit the next Fibonacci level, which is right around the 2816 area. So definitely still very bullish, definitely still looking at a wave 3. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where you can start to see a trend within a trend because we have a 1, 2, 3. It does look like a wave 4 and it does look like a possible wave 1, wave 2, and then this is the wave 3. I think there's a good chance that we're in a wave 4 right now, so it might go down, make a wave 4, then back up towards that 2816 area for the wave 5. We do have the US elections only about 6 days away, so we might see a lot of volatility over the next week. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was just showing on the higher time frames, I think that there is a wave 1, a wave 2, and this is all a wave 3 right here, which means it probably is going to go down and make a more proper correction for like a wave 4, which this is actually probably the A right here, this is probably the B, and we may already be in the wave C of 4. Then if we see a nice engulfing move to the upside with a nice break, then you probably want to go long again because likely it will go up towards that 2816 area for the wave 5. The 2816 is the next Fibonacci extension level from my higher time frames. So if you actually squish this down a little bit, you can see that my next Fibonacci level is around the 2813, 2816 area. So maybe this is going to go down, make a wave C, and then make its way up towards that last Fibonacci level before we actually do get a bigger turn to the downside. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.